I'm going to work through the 5 problems on the exit ticket for 13.1. You need to have these area formulas written somewhere in your notes. The area of a parallelogram equals base times height. Area of a trapezoid equals 1/2 times height times the sum of B1 and B2, base 1 and base 2. And the area of a rhombus equals 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. In our first problem, we're finding the area of the parallelogram. So to start this problem, I'm going to write that formula. Area equals base times height. In this parallelogram, the base is 10 centimeters. The height is 5 centimeters. So I'll be multiplying 10 times 5, and I will get my answer. You're going to do that calculation on your own. Problem 2, again, this is the area of a parallelogram, but it's telling me in words the dimensions of that parallelogram. It always helps me to draw out a parallelogram. So it says the area of a parallelogram that has a base of 4.5 inches. So my base down here is 4.5 inches, and my height is 2 inches. Again, I'm going to start with my formula. Area equals base times height. So I'd substitute in my value for the base, 4.5, times the height, 2. When you multiply, you will get that answer. Question 3. This is a trapezoid. Area of a trapezoid comes from taking 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases, B1 plus B2. So in this case, I'm going to do 1/2 times h. Here's my height. So I'm going to substitute in 10, and then I'm going to multiply by the sum of B1 and B2. So here's my B1 and B2. So I'm going to do 12 plus 25. Order of operations tells me I need to multiply or add what's in the parentheses first. So I'm going to add 12 plus 25. I'm going to get 37. So here I now need to multiply out my problem. 1/2 times 10 times 37. When we multiply by 1/2, it just means we're taking half of that number. So I'm going to go ahead and do half of 10, which is 5. Still need to multiply by 37 to get my final answer. You can do that piece on your own. Question 4. This is a trapezoid problem again, but I don't have a diagram. The bases of a trapezoid are 24 and 32 inches. So I'm going to label 24 inches or centimeters and 32 centimeters. And its height is 16 centimeters. So I'm going to put that in. What is the area of the trapezoid? So again, I'm going to start with my area formula. Area equals 1/2 times the height times the sum of B1 and B2. Now I'm going to substitute in my values. 1/2 times my height is 16 times the sum of the two bases. So I'm going to take my 24 and 32. 24 plus 32. Again, order of operations is going to tell me I need to multiply or add what's in the parentheses first. You remember back when we were solving equations, there is no sign between the 16 and the parentheses. When there's no sign, it means we're multiplying. So once I do my adding in the parentheses, I'm going to put in a dot to remind myself to multiply. So 24 plus 32, when I add that together, I get 56. And now I'm going to go through and multiply. So again, 1/2 times a number just means I'm taking half of that number. So half of 16 is 8. I need to multiply 8 by 56 to get my final answer. You can do that part on your own. Last one, find the area of a rhombus. The area of a rhombus formula is area equals 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Again, there's no symbols When there are not symbols, that tells me I need to multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute in my values. 1/2 times, I'll use 8 for diagonal 1, 5 for diagonal 2. Again, when I'm multiplying by a half, I'm just taking half of that number. So 1/2 times 8 equals 4. I still need to multiply by 5 to get my final answer, which you can do on your own.